let us say it is problem number 3, and it is given as what is the distance of a cloud. What is the distance of a cloud when you heard the sound of a thunder produced from it after 5 seconds. After 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Now here there is only one data given. In such cases, so distance of a cloud. So distance is equal to how much? This is the question. And to calculate the distance, time is given 3 seconds. And we require other parameter, that is velocity. So velocity of sound, it is to be remembered. In general, we will be taking it as 330 meter per second. Generally, this value won't be given in the problem, but you need to remember this. Velocity of sound in air is around 330 to 350 meter per second. So let us think it is 330 meter per second. In this case, suppose a person is standing over here and the cloud is here. When this cloud is producing a thunder, it reaches him after 3 seconds. And now, what is the distance he is asking? So I can calculate x as velocity into time. So velocity is going to be 330 meter per second multiplied by time is 3 seconds. After 3 seconds he is asking. Second cancels. So it comes out to be 990 meters. That means distance of the cloud from the person is going to be 990 meters. So only key point here is you need to remember this value, that is velocity of sound. In the similar way, we can do another problem. Let us say it is problem number 4, and here the data given as, this problem is given as frequency. If the frequency of a tuning fork, frequency of a tuning fork is 100 Hertz, let us say. How many times it vibrate in 1 minute? This is the question asked. That means frequency is given and time is given, and he is asking number of times it is vibrating, number of vibrations. Therefore, you can easily solve this from the formula frequency is equal to number of vibrations per second, that means by time. So, number of vibrations going to be, number of vibrations we need to calculate. So, the number of vibrations equal to frequency into time, and frequency is given as 100 Hertz, and here time is given as 1 minute, but you have to convert it into seconds. Therefore 60 seconds it is. So number of vibrations that can be heard is 6000. So this is how the problem can be solved. So this is the way where you can solve the problem. When frequency and time is given, you can get the number of vibrations or number of oscillations. That is what nothing but a frequency and time related problem.